So I'm letting you know if your student hasn't already or you didn't get the emails announcements from the district, winter break is from December 21st to January 1st. We return to school on January 4th. If your student is behind, is missing work, please have them work on schoolwork over winter break if they have time, if they can. I will check my emails. I will respond. I'll reset grades. I'll enter grades. They can send me messages. And I would like you to check both Apex and Skyward to see how your student is doing. So this is Apex. How do you help? You're like, I don't get it. Okay, when you say to your student, show me Apex, log into Apex so that I can see your classes, you're going to see something like this picture. Once in Apex, you're going to see civics and you're going to see math. And if you have a red box, you're missing something. Okay, so click on the red box and say to your student, write down all those assignments or take a picture or something. And you don't actually click on the assignment in the red box. You then have to go to Apex or Google Classroom to do the work. You can click on this blue percent, that's their grade, and see a list of assignments. And if your student is working over winter break, every day they log in, this number should go down. Okay, so I think the most there are in civics is 15 assignments. If your student is turning stuff in, this should go down each day they log in. If it's not going down, they're not turning work in. Okay, this is what you see once you click on the blue percent. Anything in orange is overdue. Yes, they can still turn in those orange assignments. They need to. I don't mark anything late. Anything with a low score the student can retake. So see this one right here? 2.4.4 practice federalism, 0 out of 5. So that's not missing. That's they got a score of 0 out of 5. So if students want to redo something, they can send me an email and say, can you please reset? I don't know, here we go. Civics 2.4.5 quiz. And then I know exactly which one to reset. Okay, Skyward. Step one, go to the MLSD website. There's that web address. Click on Skyward. Step two, every student was mailed their password. Have your student log in. If they can't remember, they can send me an email. The system is super slow. So if you see logging in, it's working. Step three, click on the plus, click on the gradebook. If you have more than one student in Moses Lake, you actually need to click on their name first. Okay, once in gradebook, you're going to see all their classes and see these are all the classes. But to check PE, I want to click on this. It's either a P or an F, pass or fail. And then if I see check marks over here, that is missing and they need to do that. So they're going to go to Google Classroom to actually find the PE assignments. Okay, Apex strategies. Students need to, I would encourage students to watch the video where I read to them, print the study guide or take notes, fill out the study guide. Students can use their notes on the quizzes and tests. The practice activity must be completed in Google Classroom. Okay. So there is a checkup, there's a review, and kids just jump straight to the practice and the quiz, and they're not doing these steps. Okay, make sure you're going through each step. Okay, printing study guides. Students that do the best print and complete the study guides. So my students that are getting A's and B's in Apex are printing study guides. They're filling them out. If you can't print or don't want to print all that paper, you can pick them up at the digital learning office, which is down on Ivy. They will have different hours over winter break. So there's a number you can call. Call them and 793, it'll go away. 7600. And if you call and say, my student's in sixth grade, can I get these study guides? They'll have a packet ready for you. You just stop by and grab one. So again, exit. Apex looks like this. When they click on civics, this is where they're going to see all of their work. Okay, so we're in unit 2. And when I look at this, they all have the same exact format. Okay, this 2.3.1 in civics, these are like 14, 15, 16 pages. They're not going to do this whole section in 10 minutes. Okay, that's going to take some time. In classwork, Google Classroom, under classwork, they have all these topics. Okay, and there is a lot of extra credit in here. I've had 6 kids do that. Okay. I'm about this in proper fractions. 6 kids do that. Attendance every day, some videos, how to clean out their email, how to get a great quiz score. And then here is all their assignments. They only do the fire ones. So look at all that extra support I have in there. They only do the ones with the fire. Only do the ones with the fire. Here's all the PE health. They all have fires because they need to do all of those. And then we get to math. Okay. All right. Please let me know if you have questions. Happy holidays.